100, I can take 100. I was
Okay.
thinking like that.
Okay, okay. Fine. Okay. That day when we created this machine catalog, it created one clone. One created one clone.
Sir, for your Windows server, you have only sent 32 GB.
No, it is not 32 GB.
It was showing that.
Actually, it is. I mean, this one cache, the temporary storage. So when I created machine catalog, it created this snapshot that day. I mean,
15 June.
initial, yes. I mean, it is showing current date.
But sir, I think VDA VM installed sometime back, a week
Yes.
ago, and it's showing current date. So, did we do today?
No, I did not do anything, but I'm not sure why it is showing today's date. Okay, it was created on that day. So,
So, is your time is in IST?
yes, yes, it is in IST. But let me check note here. In hypervisor's time, let me check. Okay, somewhere. Wait, I think it has some problem with time synchronization because I'm using NTP. So let me check.
Because it's taking effect on the current day.
Yes.
That's why me and Vicky.
application is launching fine. So let me install one small application, then we'll update.
This is DDC machine, na?
Yes, I'm copying here. From here, I have to copy there.
No.
So can you show us again?
Yep.
Because this is kind of a moving of application, right?
Yeah, I'm just taking one small application from my system. Okay, because
From your physical machine.
yeah, from your I'm from my physical machine. I'm taking one small application. I'm copying it to the DDC. From there, I will access. I mean, from VDA, I will access through UNC path, and I'll copy that application there and install there.
A UNC path means some kind of a DFS path, sharing path,
I mean, double slash IP address. That's it.
double slash.
Sir, you are going to install which machine? In which
On
machine?
VDA, I will install.
Okay.
Before that, did you create a path?
Yes, yes, yes. I already created the folder.
So can you show us again?
Yes.
Sir, I have a little doubt. Na? So
Yeah,
actually,
tell me.
suppose we want to enable a window like just like we can use in runs double slash. So
Hmm.
what property we have to enable?
Sharing.
Yes, sharing only.
Sharing,
Oh,
you have to give everyone rights, read right. Normal,
okay,
I mean,
okay.
I'm telling.
Okay, I got it. Now you have gone the application, you have gone on
I
the
created
software
a
setup,
folder. I
right?
created folder,
And there you
right?
shared it,
Yes. Share with, okay,
right?
specific people.
Oh,
Okay.
that's one. This one we are just sharing one host to guest. Na?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm
Ah,
typing here everyone.
okay.
Okay, and from there itself you can access this path and you can just directly copy paste, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Got your point.
Okay. Here I'm selecting read,
Read and write full access
right.
and share. Wait.
Okay. So in some cases, what you have to see, one more important thing, you come to this sharing. If you are using 2012 server, then this permission
Must
only
be
it will be
allowed.
only read. Okay, it is only by default only read will be selected. Okay, so if anybody means like if this full control and change if it is there means whoever can access that folder they can either delete or everything they can do. So if you are creating this on 2012, then these two things, be careful. If you do not want anybody to delete that, then always give read only read.
Okay.
Okay.
So master VDA is a copy of all VM. Whatever I
No,
will change
master
here.
VDA is not copy. CTX lab you are seeing on the top, right? That is a
Yes, sir.
copy of master VDA.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
this is our
But
master VDA. Okay, and
this
on
is a
this,
clone of all VM.
sorry,
This is a clone of all VM.
this is not clone. Clone is CTX lab on the top you are seeing.
But you are installing in master VDA.
Yes, I'm installing on master VDA from this one only. It will update on all clones.
Okay.
Okay,
If I
I,
change CTXL, then it will not change.
no, it will not because that is a. I mean, this one that is only a snapshot disk. You cannot do any changes on that. If you want to do changes, then you have to do through this.
Okay.
Directly, you cannot install anything on that.
Okay.
That is what I said. Na snapshot. Okay, it is a disk. Okay, or in other words, it is. I mean, it is differential disk. Okay, that format will be different. Okay, and you cannot do any changes in that. You
Snapshot
cannot
is the
install.
backup only, no?
Yes, I mean it is not backup. Okay, it is kind of like it contains the state of a machine
Okay.
at a given point of time. When you take snapshot at any time, okay, it will contain that state. Okay, if that state, I mean, state can be anything. It can be good or bad or working or non-working. It will contain only that state in a disk. Okay, that too in a differential disk. That is
So, sir,
keeping it with.
after use, we have to delete that one, or that will be auto delete snapshot.
Actually, in case of VMware, we have to delete after some time.
No, I'm aware about VMware. Na, I'm not
But
aware
here,
about Citrix.
actually, after I'm updating, you have to keep it.
Not understood, sir. Actually,
Yes.
my question was: suppose we have take a snapshot. So,
Hmm.
is there any lifeline? So that will be auto delete after that time, or we have to manually delete that snapshot?
See, manually you can delete, but again, after confirming from the production that all their applications are working fine.
Suppose we just forgot about. We just take a snapshot and we forgot. We did not see again. So suppose we check after 1 week, 2 week, 3 week. So we got the same snapshot, or that will be deleted. What
It will be
happened?
there. It will never be automatically deleted. It will be
Okay,
there.
say my question was the same, na. So
Hmm.
that will not delete automatically, na. We have to
No, it will not.
manually delete.
We have to only delete.
Okay.
Okay, it will never be deleted. It will be there. How many you take it, it will be there.
And suppose we have again take a snapshot, that will be incremental backup of.
Yes, that
Okay.
also it will be there. It will come on the top of that snapshot. It will be like kind of chain on the best.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah, understood. That will copy update only.
yes.
So can you just go in the snapshot tab just for a once?
Yes.
So here it's showing CT Citrix XD Wins
Yes.
2016,
Yes.
and the clone is named as CTXLB001.
That is, I mean, VM name. Where that is given. Okay. This is snapshot name.
Sir, this one is the snapshot name Citrix
Yes.
XD
Yes.
Win 2016,
Yes.
and CTX Lab is the
VM name.
VM name. And VM is accessed by the DDC and the delivery groups,
Yes.
not the VDA, right?
No. At the end user, I mean, they will get this one CTX lab. Nobody will get
CTX Lab,
this master
master
video.
VDA.
No,
Master is
only
So what is the use of master VDA here then?
master video. Actually, it is master image on which you will do all R&D or testing of application or
Okay.
update application, install new applications,
But
everything.
end user is accessing a CTXL one.
Yes,
Okay. Whatever changing in master VDA,
everything. Whatever changes, yes,
that
whatever
changes will
changes,
be reflect to the
yes,
CTXL.
yes. You have to only change the master video. Other than that, if there are, let's say there are 10 clones of master VDA or 20 clones or 1000 clones, you are not going to change on them. You are going to change only on master VDA.
Sir, then how we can rectify which one is master, which one is
See how you can
in real
identify, you
time?
are asking.
Yes,
See, while creating master, see, we have given here master VDA name, right?
yes.
And when we created clone means what? When we created machine catalog first, that time we have given one name, naming standard, CTX lab.
Okay.
We have typed triple hash three times pound symbol. Do you remember?
Yes, yes.
That is computer account name that is given to here.
001.
001, 002. Okay, whenever you create on keep on creating machines, right, or add machines, or if you create 10 machines, it will start with 001, 002, 009, 010. Okay,
Okay.
if you create
All the
100,
machine. If I create 10 machine, then all machine is reflected here in zero
yes,
zero one zero zero two.
yes, yes, obviously.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
What is this,
this,
sir? VM na? Zero zero
yes,
one is
yes,
VM.
these are VM. Okay,
And master VDA is?
it is the master image.
Okay.
Okay, it is like
So,
master.
so,
Okay,
so we
yeah.
cannot say it as snapshot. CTX Lab
No,
is
no,
not
no.
a
It
snapshot.
master BDA is the this one our master image, or
Right.
we can say it contains the base disk. That's it. On the top of this master image, we are creating snapshot. Okay, or while cloning, I mean this will replicate on all other clones whenever we'll do update. Okay, I mean once we see the practical, right, you'll understand slowly, slowly.
Okay.
So what I understand is snapshot is different, cloning is different now, right, sir? If I'm not correct.
Kind of, yeah. Cloning also, there are two different types of cloning: linked clone, full clone. This is kind of like cloning, but it is linked with the master image.
Because sir, we have created the CTX Lab, which
Yes,
come from the machine catalog, right, sir?
yes, yes.
So it is a kind of a VM or kind
It
of a
is, yes,
clone
it is
of
a,
a master
it is a,
VDA.
yeah, it is a cloned VM. Okay, which works on the using the snapshot.
Sir, this CTX Lab is come from the machine catalog, or did we right click on and clone the master VDA?
No, 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 no. It has come from machine catalog.
Right.
Okay, when we created machine catalog for the first time, we selected master VDA, right?
Correct.
Okay, so this is that master VDA. It will take that master VDA and create a clone, and whatever naming standard we will provide it in that name, it will create.
Sure.
Okay, so now let me shut down it.
Sir, in real time, we are changing anything from Gen Center na? In real time production.
Yes,
Then if there is a thousand user, then all the machine is reflecting here.
yes,
Thousands machine.
yes.
Okay.
So
If
let's
I
see.
apply any changes, then I have to take a snapshot. Then it will reflect to
Yes,
that
first
system.
you install the application, shut down the master VDA, then take a snapshot,
Okay.
then come to one moment your BDC.
So will it reflect automatically on all the machine catalog?
Yes, one moment. So we'll see that whether it'll I mean apply or not, or whether there will be any error. All those things we'll see now. So now,
So let's suppose if there is any error, so we can revert back to the
yes, yes. If there is an error, directly revert back. That's it.
Which machine you are taking remote, sir?
TTC, but it is not. Still there. Okay. That day we created our first machine catalog. This is that one. Okay. So now we have got this option here, right side, update machines. Okay. So let me click on this. Select the delivery group. Next. This is our master BDA. Expand it. Expand it again.
It will show there.
See PLC update. Select
Right.
this. Okay, this we took just now. This is what we are going to update.
So every time we have to do it manually again, again, again.
Yes. Now there is one option on next shutdown or immediately. I want to do it immediately. Okay. Next shutdown. Next shutdown means when that
So can you go back? Just go
yep.
one step back.
After clicking update machine, this window is coming. Yeah? Update machine.
This one, right?
Yeah. So can you expand it?
Yes.
So updating machine. Yeah. Now it will show the VLC set.
Yes.
So does it? I think it's a manual setup, right?
Yes.
Every time.
VLC I gave a name. I
It,
took one
it's
snapshot.
a
This is manual. Okay.
Citrix underscore XD is that snapshot name.
That was given by machine catalog.
Okay.
It created, but now what I created is I took one new snapshot. I gave that name as VLC update.
So
Okay, after
now,
installing the VLC application. Okay,
now confusion come again.
yeah, tell me.
Sir, machine catalog created one CTX lab.
Yes,
Okay, and machine catalog also created the snapshot.
yes. Actually, it is a see.
Or did we create it manually?
No, no, no. It is created by machine catalog. Machine catalog means like it will create a clone with a snapshot. Clone means it will be like clone VM. It will be linked to the base disk with a snapshot.
Sir, it will not create confusion if there are too many this machine catalog created this name Citrix CX. Can we rename that a
Okay.
snapshot in a snapshot?
When whichever snapshot we are going to take,
Yeah.
okay, we can name it. But if it is created by Citrix, then it will be like some default name which will be given by Citrix. Or
So,
if,
sir, in the next time when we create a clone,
hmm?
then again the snapshot will be created by the machine
Yes,
catalog.
yes, yes. So when we'll do the lab again, right?
Yes, sir.
That time we'll see again.
Sir, I think if we can rename it like the name given by us, then it will be more easier.
Okay, that
Else,
that we'll see. So I mean, this one you want to know, right? I mean, Citrix
yes,
XD, whether
yes,
this
sir.
name we can give or not, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this we'll see in the next lab when we'll
Ju-
repeat it.
just like a snapshot 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4, 5,
yes.
6.
Okay, we'll see that.
Okay.
It has actually it has done is Citrix Zen Desktop, and it has taken the machine catalog name at the end.
Yes, sir.
So I want to immediately shut down and restart the machine now, or next shutdown. Okay, next shutdown means when the system will shut down, right? That time it will apply. But I want to do it now itself. Okay, and if I want to send any notification to the end
In
user,
real
then I
time, we
can
have to
select this.
select first one. Na?
Real time, you have to select probably if you are going
First
to
one.
do it immediately.
Okay.
Okay, then second one select. If it is on this one weekend, okay,
Okay.
week of during week of you are doing, then select the first one. Okay, but again, you do not know when the system will shut down, right?
Yes.
On next shutdown means when it will shut down. I mean, if there are scheduled reboot, okay, then agreed. Okay, if there are some scheduled reboot policy, okay,
Right,
let's
or
say,
the monthly
yeah,
patching.
yes, monthly patches happens. Then in that case, okay, if schedule reboots are scheduled, then that time it will schedule and it will apply. But if that does not happen, then you have to select this one option.
So does it replicate it to all workstation on or all user
This one
devices?
only apply to our Zen desktop infra. Other than this, it will won't touch anything. I mean, only clone VMs.
Okay, can you show us the options from this, right? Drop down, first drop down. And this is second one.
Do not send a notification or
So
send a notification.
distribution time, like when we are deploying any application, right, sir?
Yes,
And the server is getting reboot at that particular time,
yes, yes, yes.
and also the user when the user log in or maybe user logged off at that time. So does it show any notification to user at the desktop? I think
It,
sometimes it shows.
it will show if we are sending any notification.
Okay.
Let's say
Yes.
we'll
Yeah.
give a
Yeah.
notification.
This will show. Sir,
Yep.
your system is about to shut down in 1 minute.
Yes.
Right. So this will show. Yeah. That was my question. Yeah. Please just save your work something like this,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
because that we did as well in Windows Server. Or we can suppress it.
Suppress is, means like
Something like suppress notification that the user cannot show anything.
means like
Whatever
better is do
installed,
not
they
send
can
a
just log
notification.
off. They can just log off. Or, I mean, their session can be log off immediately.
You mean to say automatically log off?
Yeah, it will automatically log off.
Uh, then the thing is, best thing is not to send any notification.
Do not sign.
I mean, it will immediately do a restart. Or else, if you're talking about only means like automatically log off means that will come. I mean, as that is actually something different. When session will be idle for 1 hour or like that or half an hour, then in that case it will be like logged off automatically. But in this case, we are applying update, so either we have to give a notification or without notification we have to reboot.
Yes, sir.
So let's say we'll send one notification. Next. See, the user connects to a machine while it is updating. The user will be disconnected without, I
Notice or
mean, notice
experience.
or explanation. I mean, if
Yeah,
a user is trying to establish a session, okay, and current also, if anybody is, I mean, anybody logged in,
they will be
then
automatically
it will
log
keep
off.
on notification and it will restart. So now you can see one progress bar here. It will appear after I think few seconds. See, you can see the in the green color. Win 16. I mean 2016. See here.
So now it's in green color. Again, we do another change, another deployment of
Yes,
any application like Notepad.
yes,
We now.
yes, yes,
So does uh, it's come like WI is in green?
yes. Same thing will happen each time you do update.
So when it totally become green, then
Means it is completed. Okay, so now how we can check it out? Come here to Zen Center console again. We'll see it will reboot. This CTX lab, it will restart.
and if the machine is in suspension state, does any effect will replicate on it? Any
If
new
it is
effect?
in suspended state, it will not apply.
It will not apply.
Yes, machine
Or
should be on.
machine should be on.
Yes,
Like we are trying deploy anything
yes,
on master, and somehow we have put the machine on suspend state. But
yes.
if we reboot it, does it take effect or not?
If we reboot also, it will not happen.
It will not affect.
Yes.
So can you just click on the small icon that is on the taskbar near the speaker?
Going on. Yeah, tell me. You're telling something?
Sir, on the user end, I was telling, like, can you just show us the
Okay,
small?
user end, right? This one small problem.
Now the sir name is coming in green. I think it's progressing.
It is going on. It will
Yeah, it's
complete
going on.
full. If you see here, it will come till here, till mouse point is there, right? This entire thing it will come here.
and will consume more time when number of users are more.
Yes. I mean, when the number of users will be more, right? So it will close their sessions, right, forcefully. So that time it will take more time. Not that much, but still, as in comparatively, more time it will take.
And changes need to be happen at particular time.
Yes. This I think. Okay, sorry. Did the receiver not stop right?
Okay, sir, one question is that
Yep.
we have deployed VLC, right?
Yep.
Okay, and now under the CTX lab,
Mhm.
it's not there because it's a VM of created by the machine catalog. Or does it take time?
I didn't get your question.
Sir, CTX lab was created by the machine catalog, right, sir?
Yep.
Okay, and we just install the VLC in master VD image.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so why it is not showing in the CTX lab?
It is
Because
not yet completed.
it's not yet completed.
It is not yet completed. Here it is going on still. You can see. Copying the master image.
So what I understand is this is some kind of a manual task.
It is actually it will happen, but it will copy the
Sir,
master image.
because
Yeah.
like we have installed one application on master
Mm.
VDA,
Yes.
like we have taken the snapshot.
Yes.
Okay, now we have updated the snapshot in the machine catalog,
Yes.
and machine catalog is trying replicated on the
Yes.
CTX lab,
Yes. Yes.
right, sir?
Yeah, it's kind of manual only. It is not
It's
automated.
not the automatic one.
No, no. It is.
Like
I mean, there is no automation here.
we can just simply drag and install, and it will replicate to the all.
No, it is actually a manual task. We have to only do it.
We have to do it. And
Whatever we are changing, we have to update every time in
Yes.
machine
Yes. Yes.
catalog also.
Yes.
right.
Yes. We
So
have to click update in the machine catalog.
and how frequent are the requests?
It is actually even I like last time when I worked on this one WVD, right. Before that, we prepared the one master image, and on that we installed all the applications,
Right.
and those were I mean made available after creating clones in the Azure means like environment. In between, few like requests came, and that was actually like implemented by the onshore team. So even they used to get irritated, means like irritated like anything.
Right, sir. So
So they
also
will
we
take
do
that.
because as I said, like it's really a manual task.
It is
There
actually
is no
manual
any
task.
automation.
Correct. And the problem even more it is if you are supporting the BPO users, then gone, gone case.
Right, sir. In VIP or VPN, that was also gone if there the change is not reflected at the user
Yes,
end.
yes,
So there will be a hectic situation like if somehow we have selected wrong anything.
correct. That is why if I mean it mainly depends which type of users you are going to support at the end user. If they are BPO users, they actually they will have means like come with hell lot of requests. We need this software, that software. Okay.
Correct, sir.
In many cases, what happens? Most of the users will be using kind of legacy application, and all of a sudden they will come with a new application. So in between, if our infra does not have that, then again you have to do update on that.
Right, sir.
So suppose we have 100 users, we are creating 100 VM. Then if we among 100, 10 user wants to install VLC, is there any possibility to we are installing only 10 user in VLC?
See, that is kind of a difficult task. Okay, if let's say if there are 10 VMs and you are applying on a master image, and master image will come replicate on all VMs, it will come on everything. Okay, if you do not
Okay.
want if you want only on one particular VM, then it's difficult. You have to create one more machine catalog, okay, which will become like static. Okay, in this
Okay.
this one you cannot do it. In this case, whatever you install on master VDA and replicate everything, then it will come on all VMs. If you want one more thing you can do, if you want that application, see now it is showing preparation Win 2016, right? Down.
So can we do?
See here, it is copying here. You can see, right?
Sir,
Again,
again new VM
one
created.
It is not creating new VM. It is just trying to copy the changed, I mean whatever changes we did, right? It will create from that and it will update in the CTX lab. Okay, preparation Win 2016 means when 2016 is our machine catalog. Okay, it is preparing and it will update here.
whenever we are changing every time there is a new one more additional is here.
No, 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 it will show like that. Okay, it will copy. If you see where it is showing, okay, copying master image. Okay, actually what it will do is whatever changes we did, right, only that part it will copy and update here. Restart now after some time. Okay, so if you want only for particular 10 users from some particular application, either you have to create separate VM, or one more thing you can do, you can create a security group if possible, and restrict those application users to only for those users.
Okay.
Okay, add those users in that security group and block I mean application access.
So that application won't show on the desktop or
Sorry, sorry.
application if we apply the security, on the
Huh?
particular user group. So application will not show on user desktop, or it will show and it will not show.
It may show. Even if it will show, it won't be accessible by other users with for whomever you are restricting, right?
Yeah.
Only for them it will show. Others, if even if they see, they cannot run it.
Okay. And one more question is, suppose if we create another machine catalog. So if we using this master image, then VLC will reflect over there also.
Your voice is not. I mean, again,
Hello.
very low. Very low.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
I'm saying, suppose if we create a new machine catalog,
Okay.
okay, and we are using the same master image, the 2016 master image. So the software, the VLC media player will replicate over there.
Yes,
Okay.
because it is already there, right? So if we create clone, it will come with that.
Okay.
Then we have to create one more master image, no?
Yeah, in that case, you have to create one more master image. That's what I said.
Okay.
I mean, you are creating one more. This one machine catalog means, and if you are using same VM means, it's of no use. You have to create one more. You have to take one more master image.
So is machine catalogs or VDA are directly proportional, like number of machine catalog and number of VDAs are there?
Yes, yes. One machine catalog. It is a collection of identical devices. For example, currently we have created machine catalog Win 2016.
Mhm.
Okay, in future, if we want to add more VMs, then it will create same number of same image. I mean, same machine, same type of machine of this one master VDA.
Sir, just to be a very frank question. So are we getting personal request? Like, did you face
Some
any personal request? Like, I want to
sometimes,
set sometime.
yes. Sometime if that comes from some kind of big shot means we have to do.
Okay. बिकॉज सर यू सेड ना कि मशीन कैटलॉग अगर बनाना है तो फिर एक और वीडियो
अरे
चाहिएगा। सर ये तो फिर ये वाली बात होगी ना कि
हाँ,
मेरे कोई वीआईपी आ
वो
गया
तो
फिर
है।
उसके
हाँ,
लिए
बस।
स्पेशल बनाओ,
हाँ,
तो फिर हमारे लिए फिर हेडेक हो गई।
हाँ, ये एक्चुअली क्या है ना, ये इफ यू आर सपोर्टिंग बीपीओ यूजर्स, अगर आप बीपीओ यूजर्स को ही सपोर्ट कर रहे हो तो फिर ये एक्चुअली क्या है ना, ये बहुत बड़ा
चैलेंज हो गया है।
चैलेंज है, ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है,
राइट
क्योंकि
राइट सर।
जिसने भी कोई भी सपोर्ट वाला बंदा जो भी बीपीओ यूजर लोगों को सपोर्ट किया है, ठीक है, वो ही पता है, उसी को ही पता रहेगा कि ये मतलब ये कैसा जॉब है।
राइट सर।
इफ यू आर सपोर्टिंग ओनली सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर्स, फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम।
या बिकॉज
ठीक है।
दैट्स कम टू द B2B पार्ट।
हाँ, तो उसमें क्या है एक्चुअली, आपको ऑलरेडी पता है सॉफ्टवेयर लोग उनका क्या क्या टूल रहता है, वो एक ही बार आप
राइट
प्रिपेयर कर देते हो, सब हो जाता है बस।
राइट राइट सर।
हाँ, तो इवन इफ दे यूज हेवी एप्लीकेशन देन आल्सो नो यूज, आई मीन नो प्रॉब्लम, इट्स नॉट problematic that much. But if you come to support to finance users or BPO users or similar type of users, then it is actually very very hectic.
Because just come to in my mind like there should be a personal request.
Yes.
Can we add more machine in same machine catalog?
Yes, we can do.
From where we can add, sir?
Please log off, as there is a system update is going on.
Yeah, that I was.
क्या कह रहा?
Yes, click OK. It will restart now.
क्यों?
Does it come after 1 minute
मैं क्या करना?
or does it take effect in
Once it is completed, right? I mean the entire process. It
No
will
sir,
after
no
that,
sir. My question is when user log on, it will show that message, or when user about to log off, that show that was coming to effect
Before logging off, I mean before 1 minute it will show.
before. Okay.
See how long it takes to restart. Okay, I think someone was asking 32 GB of this one, right?
Me, sir, me.
Okay, your line. Okay, this is actually the hard disk of our DDC hard disk size. So that 256 MB RAM. Someone has asked.
And does sir n number of
Okay,
group
now
is
it's
required
restarting.
in delivery group?
Sorry,
Does n number of group is required in delivery group, or one is sufficient?
delivery group one is enough.
One is enough.
I mean, uh, it depends how many. I mean, machine catalog you have. Delivery group actually machine catalog. I mean, machine catalog. It's a like uh, collection of individual. I mean, same identical machines.
Right.
And delivery group we are creating to actually means it is like we are giving permission, and it can take multiple machine catalog system. So it can be either one, or we can create more also. Not a problem.
Can I differentiate the user in delivery group like
Uh,
a OU one?
no, you. I mean, differentiate means it is like we are creating delivery group to give permission to the user. That is
Which,
where actually we grant permission.
Sir,
okay.
your voice is cutting echo.
Mine is coming as echo.
Now it's fine.
Okay, now it's fine. And users, if you want to differentiate from delivery group means actually it is not possible, because we are creating a delivery group to grant permission to the users.
So can you just go in the delivery group?
Yes, I'll show you. That is complete.
Just one quick question here. We have make and change, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, that machine catalog was showing the changes in progress, right, sir?
Yes,
There are progress bar.
yes,
And here we show preparing the CTX, something like in under
yes,
the master VDA.
yes.
So my question is like, we have did n number of changes, we have did n number of deployment on the
Okay.
master image. So does it show like one is one updated, second updated, third updated?
No, no, no.
That will
It will
know.
not show like that.
No.
See, let's say in the master image, we install 10 applications, right?
Right.
Okay,
At
and
10 different time, 10 different days.
10 different days you are telling. Okay, 10
Right.
different times means each time you have to restart.
Okay.
Okay, each time you have to take snapshot.
Yeah, that's and that I got.
Hmm.
So is there anything like we can go under the detail section of this CTX lab, and where we can check yesterday I do VLC, from there itself I came to know, and day before yesterday I did Notepad. Does it telling like this, or that we go from the snapshot one?
We have to refer the snapshot. If you want to check in detail, okay, then probably you will find in
Sir,
control panel.
लाइक माय क्वेश्चन इज कि जैसे हम अभी हमने पहली बार में नोटपैड कर दिया, राइट?
हाँ, हाँ,
सेकंड बार में मैंने वीएलसी कर दिया।
हाँ।
अब मेरे को नहीं पता कि मैंने नोटपैड करा है नहीं करा है,
अच्छा, ठीक है।
राइट?
हाँ,
तो नोटपैड के लिए मैं कुछ ऐसी जगह हो जैसे मैं उसमें जाऊं और मैं देखूं कि अरे नोटपैड मैंने 5 दिन पहले करा है,
हाँ, तो उसके लिए स्नैपशॉट ही आपको रेफर करना
स्नैपशॉट ही
पड़ेगा।
रेफर करना पड़ेगा ना?
हाँ, बस।
अगर समहाउ सर मैंने नहीं लिया स्नैपशॉट, तब
स्नैपशॉट नहीं लिया और करेंगे तो एक्चुअली वो होगा नहीं।
शेयर नहीं होगा।
नहीं होगा।
मतलब मशीन कैटलॉग उसको इफेक्ट में नहीं डालेगी।
हाँ, तो एक्चुअली क्या है ना, ये एक्चुअली कैसे काम करता है, सबसे पहले हमको यहाँ पे एप्लीकेशन अपडेट करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? उसके बाद हमें स्नैपशॉट एक लेना पड़ेगा,
राइट,
ठीक है?
और फिर
और
कैटलॉग को अपडेट
हाँ,
करना पड़ेगा।
मशीन कैटलॉग को अपडेट करना पड़ेगा। अपडेट करते वक़्त हमने जो जिस पॉइंट पे टाइम, मतलब जिस टाइम पे वो स्नैपशॉट लिया था, वही वाला स्नैपशॉट सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके वो अपडेट करेगा।
सो वो प्रोसेस बिल्कुल क्लियर है, दैट
हाँ।
दैट दैट इज बिल्कुल वो क्लियर है। बट ये है कि जैसे समहाउ सर वी आर ह्यूमंस, है ना?
हाँ, करेक्ट, ऑब्वियसली।
मैं उस सिनेरियो की बात कर रहा हूँ कि मैं
हाँ,
प्रेशर
तो
में
मान
हूँ
लीजिए कि
और
आप
मैं
बोल
भूल
रहे
गया
हैं।
हूँ सर।
हाँ, तो
बिल्कुल।
इसमें एक्चुअली द ठीक है, इसमें एक्चुअली ये पॉइंट मैंने भी कभी सोचा नहीं था, तो हम
ये
एक्चुअली
आता है
इसमें।
सर
हाँ,
हमारे साथ,
ऑब्वियसली, करेक्ट।
एक्चुअली सर ये विंडो सर्वर में हुआ है हमारे साथ,
हाँ,
मैं भूला हूँ सर, मैं एक
हाँ।
ग्रुप को ही डालना भूल गया था पूरा। तो वहां से फिर मेल आती है कि तुम इसी वाले ग्रुप को सिलेक्ट नहीं करा है। तो समटाइम इट्स हैपन।
Yes, it's obviously, I mean, human error, right? It is, I mean, quite often it happens. I mean, it's a general thing.
तो सर ये हमारी लाइबिलिटी होती है कि स्नैपशॉट लेना।
हाँ, तो इसमें इसको एक बार रफ हो जाने दीजिए, हम देखेंगे बस।
ओके। एंड सर कैन यू शो द डिलीवरी ग्रुप?
हाँ, डिलीवरी ओ चलिए ठीक है, उसी को दिखा देता हूँ, तो टाइम ही ले रहा है।
Sir, I think we can differentiate the user by creating a new delivery group.
यहाँ पे एक्चुअली क्या है ना, देखिए एक मिनट। अगर आप ऐसे बोल रहे हो कि अलग-अलग ग्रुप ऑफ यूजर को परमिशन देना है।
तो लेट सपोज मैंने विक्की को अलग दे दिया,
हम्म,
ठीक है, और मैंने पवन को अलग दे दिया,
हम्म।
तो मैं 2 ग्रुप बना देता हूँ इन लोगों के लिए अलग अलग।
तो 2 ग्रुप अगर बनाओगे, एंड जब मतलब
मतलब मैं
क्रिएट करते
चाहूंगा
वक़्त।
कि अगर
हाँ,
विक्की अगर चाहे
हाँ,
कि मैं सौरभ आनंद को दे दूं आगे
हाँ,
इसका एक्सेस,
हाँ,
राइट?
हाँ,
तो वो बस विक्की वाले तक ही मतलब रेस्ट्रिक्टेड रहे, और पवन वाला जैसे मतलब कोई और नेक्स्ट बंदा आशीष है हमारे पास,
हाँ,
तो वो उनके ग्रुप में आ जाए।
हाँ,
मतलब दोनों में एक रेस्ट्रिक्शन कर दूं मैं,
हाँ।
तो
तो
क्या ये
उसमें एक्चुअली
पॉसिबल?
क्या है, हाँ, इट इज़ पॉसिबल। उसमें इसमें एक्चुअली क्या करना है, ये जब हम ये जो कर रहे थे, जब डिलीवरी ग्रुप हम बनाते हैं, तो वहाँ पे एक्चुअली क्या है ना, एक ऑप्शन आता है जाके हम जहाँ पे हम परमिशन देते हैं। ये जब नया डिलीवरी ग्रुप क्रिएट करूँगा तब ये क्लियर हो जाएगा।
बिकॉज सिनेरियो का आते हुए पता ही नहीं लगता है ना।
हाँ,
मतलब सर ये माय क्वेश्चन इज, अगर मैं डिफरेंशिएट कर भी देता हूँ तो क्या ये मेरी अफेक्ट करेगा मशीन कैटलॉग और या मास्टर वीडियो को?
सबसे पहले एक्चुअली क्या है, आपके मशीन कैटलॉग में मशीन होना चाहिए,
राइट।
ठीक है? तो हम यहाँ से एक्चुअली क्या है ना, हम ऑलरेडी एक मशीन कैटलॉग में सिर्फ एक ही था, तो हम ऑलरेडी उसको ले चुके हैं, ठीक है? तो जब ये क्रिएट करोगे डिलीवरी ग्रुप, तो जब आगे मतलब प्रोसीड करोगे, तो उसमें ऑप्शन आएगा कौन-कौन से यूज़र को ये एक्सेस देना है, ठीक है? जिसको
राइट,
देना है
राइट।
आप उन्हीं का सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप डाल दो, बस वही लोग एक्सेस कर पाएँगे, और बाकी कोई यूज़र, ठीक है, अगर सिट्रिक्स स्टोरफ्रंट में लॉगिन भी कर लेता है, तब भी उसको विजिबल
नहीं
नहीं होगा,
नहीं मिलेगा.
नहीं होगा.
सो आई मीन लाइक मैं विक्की को एसक्यूएल स्टूडियो दे देता हूँ
हाँ
एंड मैं सौरभ को मैं विजुअल वो दे रहा
हाँ,
हूँ
तो
डॉट नेट का,
आई मीन
तो मैं
ओके,
यहाँ से
अच्छा.
डिफरेंशिएट कर सकता हूँ,
हाँ
राइट?
हाँ, डिफरेंशिएट मतलब, अच्छा ये आपका क्वेश्चन था, ठीक है, वो कर सकते हैं, यू
राइट.
कैन डू.
या बिकॉज सर जैसे कि मैंने सेटअप अपना एक ओरिजिनल रखा है, राइट सर?
हाँ, तो
अब मैं
आई
चाह
मीन,
रहा हूँ कि
हाँ
मैं नहीं चाहता कि मैं सारे पूरी जो भीड़ आए वो एक
हाँ,
ही जगह चली
ठीक
जाए.
है. हाँ, मतलब आप परमिशन के बारे में बात कर रहे हो
पर
बस.
परमिशन होगी
हाँ
तो वो
ठीक
मैं
है.
परमिशन एक तरीके से
हाँ
मैं आधे लोगों को आधा जगह बांट दूं और
हाँ
आधे लोगों को आधा
हाँ,
जगह
बस
बांट
बस, इट इज पॉसिबल.
दूं. इट्स पॉसिबल, राइट? थैंक यू सर.
डिफरेंशिएट मतलब कि मैं थोड़ा उसको अलग समझा बस. तो एक्चुअली क्या है, जब भी मतलब ये डिफरेंस मैं ये जो डिलीवरी ग्रुप करते हैं एक्चुअली, इसी इसी से ही, इसी के थ्रू से ही हम यूजर लोगों को परमिशन देते हैं. तो मतलब डिफरेंशिएट जो आप कह रहे हो ना, बस वो
राइट
एक्चुअली इट इज
राइट.
पॉसिबल.
मतलब कि
पॉसिबल.
रेस्ट्रिक्ट कर सकते हैं
यस
बिल्कुल
यस, इट इज पॉसिबल.
कि आप इस वाले फील्ड में आप मत आइए, आपका
हाँ
ये ग्रुप है तो आप
हाँ
इतने तक रुक
हाँ,
जाइए.
तो
भाई.
जिसको भी परमिशन देना है उसी का ग्रुप आप सिलेक्ट कर दो, हो गया बस.
ओके सर. फाइन
देन
सर.
सर व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ पॉलिसी? पॉलिसीज के द्वारा भी तो कर सकते हैं.
पॉलिसी एक्चुअली देखो, पॉलिसी वो अलग चीज़ है,
ओके.
ठीक है. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली क्या है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जो भी एप्लीकेशन हम बना रहे हैं, या फिर जो भी मशीन कैटलॉग बना रहे हैं, या फिर जो भी डेस्कटॉप एप्लीकेशन बना रहे हैं, किसको राइट देना है, किसको राइट नहीं देना है, वो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. तो मान लो ग्रुप ऑफ यूजर्स, हमको सिर्फ उन्हीं को ही राइट देना है ये पर्टिकुलर मशीन पे, ठीक है. तो इसमें क्या है, व्हेन वी आर क्रिएटिंग, वाइल क्रिएटिंग डिलीवरी ग्रुप, जब हम डिलीवरी ग्रुप बनाते हैं उसी टाइम पे वो यूजर लोगों को एक्सेस दे देना है, या फिर उनके सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप है, उसी सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप को एडी से सिलेक्ट करो, ऐड कर दो, हो गया. बस वही लोग जो उसके सिक्योरिटी मतलब जो उस सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप के मेंबर होंगे, वही लोग ये डेस्कटॉप या फिर ये एप्लीकेशन एक्सेस कर पाएंगे, ठीक है. और पॉलिसी रहा, पॉलिसी वो अलग चीज़ है. पॉलिसी मतलब हम यूज़र को मतलब डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया, आइडियल सेशन है, उसको लॉग आउट करना है, वो एक है, ठीक है. और बाकी सब पॉलिसी है, रेस्ट्रिक्ट करना है, कॉपी पेस्ट ये वगैरह सब रेस्ट्रिक्ट करना है, वो सब है. अलग अलग पॉलिसी है जो कि हम बाद में देखेंगे.
सर वन थिंग, एक और क्वेश्चन आया अभी जस्ट,
हाँ.
कि अगर मैं अपनी एप्लीकेशन नहीं डालूं मैं मास्टर वीडियो पे, मैं अपने डिलीवरी ग्रुप में डाल दूं तो क्या
डिलीवरी ग्रुप में
पॉसिबल
होगा नहीं.
नहीं होगा?
मास्टर मतलब हमको क्या है ना, मास्टर वीडीए में ही हमको एप्लीकेशन डालना पड़ेगा. डिलीवरी ग्रुप क्या है ना, इसका काम सिर्फ परमिशन देना है यूज़र लोगों को. ये कुछ करता नहीं है, मतलब सिर्फ परमिशन ही ग्रांट करता है. एक्चुअल
ओके.
जहाँ पे हमको इम्प्लीमेंट करना है मास्टर वीडीए में.
ऑप्शन भी आ रहा था ऐड एप्लीकेशन का, तो वो
ऐड
किस लिए?
एप्लीकेशन मतलब वो आ रहा था ग्रांट, मतलब हम सॉरी कौन सा एप्लीकेशन एक्स्ट्रा हम ये करेंगे,
अच्छा, तो हम उस
पब्लिश करेंगे.
पर्टिकुलर उस ग्रुप. सर अगर कोई भी एप्लीकेशन अभी जस्ट इंस्टॉल हुई है,
हम्म,
व्हेन वी हैव फ्रेशली इंस्टॉल एनी एप्लीकेशन, तो डिलीवरी ग्रुप को भी अपडेट करना होगा जैसे मशीन कैटलॉग
हाँ.
अपडेट हुआ?
अभी देखिए यहाँ पे वीएलसी नहीं दिखा रहा है,
राइट.
ठीक है, लेकिन
राइट.
मैं अगर डेस्कटॉप यूज़ करूँगा तो उसमें दिखाएगा.
तो एक बार दिखा दीजिए.
हाँ.
Does it reflect on user end?
Yes, yes, it will reflect.